How to delete app data on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on General. In the General menu, select iPhone Storage to see your device's storage details. Below this, it lists all installed apps. Scroll through this list to identify an app and tap an app you want to remove. Tapping on the app opens a new screen with two options for freeing up space: Offload App and Delete App. Tap on Offload App. This deletes the app itself but keeps all of its documents and data safely on your iPhone. The Offload App button is replaced with a Reinstall App button. Here, to permanently remove the app and all its data, tap on Delete App. A pop-up will appear to confirm. Tap on Delete App again. Following these steps, you can easily delete app data on an iPhone.